As soon as you park near the YUE complex, this is how you find your way to the studio. So basically you go up this ramp and you just keep walking around the perimeter of the restaurant. You walk through the screen door, and if it's closed, you simply push the green button to open the sliding door. You either take the lifts to the right, or else you can go down this door, which you find on the left, which leads you to these stairs. As soon as you come down these stairs, you will see the directions on the wall leading to the New Better Life studio, and to the right you will see the sliding door, which you can also press the green button to access, where you will also find changing rooms, showers, changing rooms and toilets. There are 12 showers for males and 12 showers for females, apart from a couple of showers and changing rooms also for the kids. So we'll be walking towards the New Better Life studio. You will find other directions again on the wall, which simply leads you to the waiting area, where we wait for the coach to arrive before the session starts. Once the coach arrives, you will find access. Again, there are directions on the wall, and that is where the sessions will be happening inside of the New Better Life studio. Thank you.